Good morning guys. I've just woken up and I'm actually filming on my brand new vlogging camera. I opted for the Canon G7X, the typical vlog camera that most YouTubers use, but it is so good. Anyway, it is Monday morning. I'm gonna sit here and I'm gonna do my makeup and chat to you guys. So today I'm not really going for anything too much. I'm literally just going to the shops just because I want to. I need to go to Kmart and then I need to go to Specsavers just because when I was in China, I misplaced my prescription sunglasses. I don't know, I never lose anything, so it's just really weird. Like, I swear, I just can't find them. I've really been noticing lately, I haven't really been posting much on YouTube. I love filming videos and editing videos. I love the whole process of like making a video come to life. It's more just the uploading that I just like cannot be bothered doing. Just because like on YouTube, I don't get much engagement, I don't get many views, so it kind of does discourage me to like upload on a regular basis. Constant battle in my head, like, do I just stop doing it? Like, I don't want to stop doing it because I genuinely love making videos. Let me know what you guys think I should do. If I should just, like, if you guys would even miss me if I just stopped uploading, because I'm not sure many people would. And I do get a few people that I notice do comment on like a lot of my videos, and I appreciate you guys so much. The people who have supported me constantly, I appreciate you guys so much. Don't get me wrong, I'm not trying to say that your support doesn't, like, it doesn't go unnoticed, and it, I always appreciate it. Because yeah, the amount of subscribers I have versus the amount of views I get is definitely like not up there. Like, I've got almost 5,000 subscribers and I get about 100 views. Where are my subscribers? Where are you guys? Me doing my makeup was not meant to be me like ranting about my life. But like, the main reason I want to stay on YouTube is, well, obviously I love it. I've always loved it. It's been such a big hobby of mine for years. I've literally done YouTube for like 6 or 7 years now. Like, people don't really know that. I've been here for a long time. To not grow like at all is kind of really sad, and I should probably stop. It's getting a little bit embarrassing at this point. I should probably stop. But I love it. I genuinely love making videos, and like the fact that I've been on here for 6 or 7 years, I haven't really grown, I don't really get money off of it, but I'm still going. That in itself proves that I genuinely love doing this. Gonna use the Life's a Drag palette by Luna Beauty. I bought this off of Beauty Bay just because Beauty Bay has free shipping, and I was not gonna pay Manny's like $25 US shipping. Yeah, where I've mainly been feeling the love is on Instagram, and then that's where I've been like posting a lot more. If you want to follow me on Instagram, that would mean a lot to me. But yeah, let me know what you think. Like, if you guys are a long-time viewer of me, let me know what you think of my videos. Like, if you think I should just like stop because I'm not really going anywhere, or if you, I don't know, if you care enough, if you genuinely would be upset if I stopped uploading. Like, I feel like there's a time to just stop. Like, it's just like, yeah, as I said, it's getting a bit embarrassing at this point that I've been doing it for so many years and I'm not really going anywhere. And that is my makeup done for going to Kmart. These are the Bella lashes on. The glue is still drying on this eye. Just super lightweight and natural and just perfect for like every day, perfect for small Asian eyes like my own. But yeah, I love these lashes so much. Obviously they're from my own brand. That's my makeup. I'm not gonna put my lips on just yet because I'm still finishing off my smoothie. Oh. Hello. Today we're gonna play Bean Boozled. We picked this up yesterday, so we're gonna do it now. Thank you. We're gonna spin it and then both of us have to take the color and then see which one got the good and the bad. You don't need to be that dramatic though. Oh my god, you're gonna hurt me.
That's mostly on that one. That's the Tutti Frutti one.
Yep. So we both are gonna take it and then we'll see who got a bad one, or if we both got good ones, which hopefully that's the case.
3, 2, 1.
Oh my god! Where's this in your bin?
It took me a while to realize that tasted bad.
It's disgusting!
On the first go.
That was stinky socks!
That's the...
So this one is baby wipes or coconut?
Oh, no.
It's
you can't just smell it.
It's been mixed all in there, so I can't tell anyway.
Oh, that.
What?
I've never tasted baby wipes before, so...
It's true. I mean, I think mine could have been baby wipes, but I think it was good, so... Couldn't you stop farting?
Yours is all good?
I think it's baby wipes, but baby wipes tasted pretty good.
This one. So this one's either booger or juicy pear.
Oh god. Ready?
3, 2, 1.
Oh my god, that tastes the same as stinky socks. Vomit or peach? This is the one I've been so scared of.
3, 2, 1.
Ew!
Whoa!
Ew!
Tutti
Tutti
Frutti.
Frutti or stinky socks again. Ready?
3, 2, 1.
Yay!
Hold it.
Butter popcorn!
Alright, there we go. Okay, 3, 2, 1.
Yes!
Mm.
This one's my favourite one.
It's
Butter
so good.
popcorn is the best.
Vomit or peach? Let's just do it.
Oh! That's the worst one.
I think I got peach. I think.
Good for you! Ah! That was the worst one!
There's a chance you won't get another vomit.
Ah!
I got me.
That's it! Ah! Why did I get that twice literally in a row? No!
Nah, we gotta do it.
I'm not getting another vomit!
Cheers.
I'm traumatized.
Oh, no, no. No, that was vomit that time.
Ew! Why are there so many vomit ones? Where are all the peaches?
Oh yes, we need to keep going until we hit rotten eggs.
I don't want to eat a rotten egg!
Okay, dog food or pudding.
But what does dog food taste like?
You're about to find out, maybe.
Chocolate pudding.
Right, chocolate pudding as well. Yep. Booger or juicy pear. Oh. Wait. Yeah.
Oh, this one has a heart on it. There you go. Got a little heart on it. How cute. And then it tastes like stinky socks.
The rotten egg or buttered popcorn.
If I don't get buttered popcorn, I'll be so angry. Oh!
If you can't see her face right now. Oh, it's so yellow.
I think I've had more of the worst ones than you have. I don't like this game.
It's back on the juicy pear or thingo.
We're almost out of them.
Alright, that means not many more chances to get.
Juicy pear.
Yeah, I got booger again.
I think we're done with this game.
Wait, one more.
Oh, which one?
If it's canned dog food.
I don't want to. I don't want it.
Yeah, just go. Well, the canned dog food, that tastes weird. Right.
I got chocolate pudding again. I don't really like chocolate pudding.
Kind of tastes like beef noodles.
Yay! Well, we've eaten most of them and I'm done now. I feel sick, so yeah, that's how you can drink a lot of water, because I finished this whole bottle whilst playing that. So that's disgusting. Happy 21st!
Oh.
You're 12! Yay! Happy 21st! Woohoo! I don't know why the 2 is so deflated, but the 1's fine. And you're my number 1. Yeah. Hey guys, so it's a little bit later in the day. I've gotten ready, done my makeup. Seth and I are now about to go watch The Incredibles 2, which I'm so excited about. He's just gone upstairs to go get his glasses because he forgot. I brought mine though, so I'm good. And then later tonight we are going out for dinner with his mum. Right now we're going to go watch The Incredibles. I'm super excited. Here he is now. Hello! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! wait, you're blurry. Hold on. There you are. Hello. We're at Nick and Colo, and we have really good food. And you look very good today. Lentils and pancakes with bacon. Yay. Yeah. Hello. Just been on a walk, and now we're having breakfast. Or brunch, and this looks so good. Yay. Yay. Hey guys, so I've just finished filming my second video today. I've just had a filming day. Seth's at work all day, so I'm just like doing my thing today. I have some orders to package, and then Seth wants me to bring him some lunch to work because he forgot to bring lunch this morning, so I'm gonna do that. And I think I might actually go for a walk because it's such a nice day today. I'll show you the sky later. It's so nice. We've been having such nice weather even though it's winter, but it's been so nice. So I think I'm gonna go for a walk, and the post office is actually like a decent walk away. But yeah, that's the plan for right now. Yeah, that's kind of it. See you in a bit.
Million thoughts are spinning around in my head. My pulse holds it down, 'cause I'm almost there. Now I see you through the window and I'm walking on it, but I won't let you know. And I know how it goes. It's supposed to feel incredible.
Loving my setup right now, watching Love Island UK whilst having my lunch. Look how good this looks. Oh my god, I'm so proud of myself. Yeah. Okay, so it's a lot later in the day now. I've just gone for a walk. Went for about 1 and a bit hours, almost 2 hours. Oh yeah, quite a decent walk. It was so nice outside. Just come home and squeezed some orange juice. I squeezed some myself. I was a good girl and I didn't go out and buy any juice. Because I like having days where I don't spend like any money at all, which is today. Like I didn't go out and buy food, I didn't go buy a drink, like all good. This was 6 oranges, so that's fun. But yeah, it's been a really good day today. Hello. I saw you. We're out for a vlog or for a walk?
No.
Having fun. I'm having fun. It's such a nice day today. Look at those two just sitting there. They're so cute. Oh.
I think its meat would be quite gross.
I just started recording and then you just said that. No, don't try and eat it then. It's fine. It's so cute. Its neck is so like bendy.
Yeah.
So weird. We walked all the way across here to that park, which is supposed to have kangaroos, but we didn't see any. Which is sad. That's okay. He wants to get a selfie with the bird, but just like turned away from it. It's gonna see, it's walking away from you. It doesn't like you. He's like slowly like, get away from it. I love watching you get rejected by a bird. Stop! Oh my god, stop! Nah. It doesn't want Hello. Yeah. I'm not really sure what this one's meant to do. This is what it says. Where's... Hello. So cute. Good morning.
No.
We've got morning beverages. I gotta go see Jasmine. Yay.
Yeah.
Hello. And with Nicola again, we've gotten the smoothie bowls. These look so good. How happy are you?
Very, honestly.
Yay.
I shared them and that's well.
I'm glad. Wow, that's so high. Okay, I'm gonna try these now. Bye. Hey doggy. Oh my god, hello. You're so cute.
Time for walkies.
You excited? So excited for walks? Oh. Oh. Okay, bye.
Come here, Frankie, come here. Come here.
Oh.
Come here.
Why?
She doesn't like putting her head in the thing. Frankie.
Oh.
Like she wants to go for a walk, but she doesn't want to.
She doesn't want to put, yeah. Oh, cute. You're so cute. Yay, let's go. Hey, Frankie.
Oh my god, no! We're not sniffing the street. I say mad at her, but she keeps wanting to sniff every single thing.
Come on, Frankie.
Come on!
You little kitty.
I don't know if she wants to like sniff things to see if she can pee on it, but like she doesn't have a pee on them. So.
Yeah, I know.
Hello, doggy. Hello, doggy. Is this yourself?
A British father has been
You're
punched
so
in the face.
cute. I'm so happy right now.
Daughter's party.
Hello, doggy. Yes, got the goods. Went for noodles, squid, dumplings. How happy are you?
I'm a happy Nicola.
I'm glad you're happy, Nicola. I'm watching just Tattoo of Us, our fave. I'm so excited to eat this. Hey guys! Today is Friday and I think I'm gonna end the vlog here because I feel like I've got a lot of footage already. These are my new glasses, by the way. These are the ones that I got last Monday and then I picked them up this Wednesday. So yeah, these are my new glasses. I've just finished doing a makeup look for Instagram. I'm just gonna do a bit of editing and then I'm gonna go for a walk with Natalie. So I'm having a lot of fun going for walks. I've gone for at least an hour walk almost every day this week apart from Wednesday. So I think I'm doing pretty well. I'm really enjoying it. I think that'll be it for this vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I know it was quite random and just I don't know. I hope you enjoyed it anyway. Give it a big thumbs up if you did and let me know if you guys would like me to vlog more. Subscribe to my channel if you guys would like to see more of my videos and click the little notification bell button because one button is not enough for YouTube anymore. I hope you guys are having a really great day and thank you guys so much for taking your time out to watch my video and yeah. Thank you guys for watching. Bye. Mwah.